this is what happens when you go to party hard and you wake up in the morning. Let's have. I got this from the supermarket, the one that was in the exposition site. I need it fast, so yeah. Don't forget to put the blade. If not, you are not going to do anything. It's very easy to set up the blades. We place it. Okay, let's start the scale. Okay, we put 420 milliliters of water. Now 1 spoon of sugar. 1 spoon. 2 spoons of salt. 1 spoon of olive oil. We have to put 2 spoons of dry yeast for bread. 2 spoons, 1 and 2. This is fine. Now we add 700 grams of flour. More. Oh, a bit too much, but it's fine. This is bread flour. The normal flour doesn't work, so use bread flour. Okay, let's put it inside. Okay, this is fine. Now we close, and now we have to select the weight. We are going to do 1.5 kilograms here, 3 hours. Okay, let's start. And the machine works for me. This is perfect. Do you want to take a look inside? Okay, let's take a look. I like your moving. 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 Hours later, we have already. We have to wait a little bit to cold. Okay, now yes, I can. Shit. Get out from there! My God! Whoa! Look at this, amazing. Now yes, now I can have my breakfast. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.